Welcome back. This is, as promised, the linked list cycle 2. So we are still given a linked list and we want to return the node where the cycle begins. So not only we need to determine whether there's a cycle, we want to return the node if there's a cycle. And if there's no cycle, we just return a null pointer. So it's a little bit more tricky than the previous one. But the naive way still is to use a hash map or a hash set while we traverse the linked list. If we found a duplicate node, then we say, okay, that's the starting of our cycle. But let's try to see whether we can use the two-pointer technique to optimize make space O1 as well. Yeah, O1 as well. Okay, cool. So how can we do that? So we know that if we still starting from our slow pointer and fast pointer, they start at the head. We know that they need to meet somewhere during the cycle, by which then my slow pointer will go to m plus a, where m is the distance here and a is the distance in the cycle, while my fast pointer will also go m plus how many cycles. I will just do times a plus b, and then my fast pointer will also be here. It will then also plus a, right? Then the equation will become, since my speed for slow pointer is just half of them, I will do m plus a divided by 1, where equals to m plus a plus n times a plus b. Then my m will equals to n a plus b minus a, will again equals to n minus 1 times the whole circle and then plus b, which means that if I have a third node, which again starting from the beginning, after n step it will reach the node, and the other one will travel exactly the speed distance, so they will meet at the starting of the cycle. So now let's try to code it up. I know I should have, yeah, the visualization can be clearer if we can mark this M, A, and B, but I hope you guys can get it. So I have a slow equals to head, and I have a fast equals to head. First, let's find the meeting point. So if my fast and fast stop next, my fast travel 2 steps forward, and my slow just travel 1 step next. If actually there is no or fast next, if there's no cycle, I just return a null pointer. Otherwise, I would have my third linked list. Let's call it slow 2, also equals to head. And then what I want to do is I want my slow 1 to meet my slow 2. And at the end, I will return slow equals to slow next. Slow 2 also equals to slow 2 next. Yeah, let's try run the code. Time exceeded. Oh, okay. So if my fast equals to slow, I should be able to break it because I already found my meeting point. Otherwise, if there's a cycle, it will continue to go on forever. So in this way, the time complexity will just be O n and the space complexity will be constant. Let's try and submit it. Cool. I'll see you next time. Bye.